Welcome to this logical function tutorial. In this video, we will explore how to use the AND function to enhance your data analysis skill. The AND function is one of the Excel's logical function and it is used to test multiple conditions at the same time. It's return true if all conditions are met and false if any one of them not met. The syntax for the AND function is very simple. You write the function as equal and followed by the condition you want to test, separated by commas. Each condition is referred to as a logic 1, logic 2 and so on. Let's look at an example. Suppose we have a table with two test scores for a different student. We want to determine if each student passed in both tests with the passing score being 60 or above. We can use the AND function to check this. For John, the formula would be is equal to and B11 greater than or equal to 60, then C11 greater than or equal to 60. Since both conditions are met, the formula returns true. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out our other Excel tips and tricks video. Also follow us on Facebook.